In a world where tech giants rise and fall overnight, one man quietly outplayed the entire industry and built a $1 trillion empire in the process. This is the story of Jensen Huang, the leather jacket wearing visionary who turned Nvidia into the brain of the modern world and outsmarted everyone along the way. Stay tuned because this strategy, it wasn't luck, it was calculated genius. You see, back in 1993, while Silicon Valley was obsessed with CPUs, two young engineers and a Taiwanese American entrepreneur named Jensen Huang decided to bet on something different: graphics chips, a market no one took seriously. Most companies believed graphics were just for gaming, but Jensen Huang saw something else: a future where graphics processors would 1. Solve scientific problems, 2. Train neural networks, 3. Power robots, and 4. Eventually become the engine of artificial intelligence. Now, while the world chased competition in CPUs, Jensen quietly built a company around a chip no one cared about yet. Then came the move that changed everything. You see, in 2006, Nvidia introduced CUDA, CUDA in capital letters, a way to make GPUs sort of way more programmable, if I may use that word. At that time, Nvidia's own board questioned it. It was expensive, risky, and the gaming market didn't even need it. But Jensen wasn't targeting gamers. He was targeting the future of computing. Now, CUDA allowed anyone, scientists, researchers, engineers, to use GPUs for more than just graphics. And now suddenly, Nvidia wasn't just a gaming company. It became the foundation for supercomputing. And while others like Intel, AMD focused on traditional processors, Nvidia quietly built the perfect tool for the AI revolution that hadn't even begun. You know. Now fast forward to the 2010s, deep learning starts to take off. Neural networks grow bigger. Computers need more power than ever. Guess which technology was perfectly designed for this moment? NVIDIA GPUs. Now, suddenly, every AI lab, university, and tech company needed thousands of NVIDIA chips just to keep up. Google bought them, Amazon bought them, Tesla bought them. Even competitors like Microsoft relied heavily on NVIDIA hardware. Now, while others scrambled to catch up, Jensen Huang's 10-year-old decision became a $1 billion advantage. He didn't just win the AI race, he started it. Here's what most people don't realize: Jensen never tried to compete directly with Intel or AMD in the strongest markets. Instead, he created new markets. While Intel focused on CPUs, Nvidia built GPUs. While competitors wanted AI to grow, Nvidia built the tools, the software, and platforms years in advance. And instead of making one product, Jensen built an ecosystem: hardware plus software plus tools that lock customers in. Others were selling chips. Jensen was selling the future of computation itself. And he did it without even starting a fight. He simply stepped into an empty field and became the king. Today, NVIDIA chips power everything from self driving cars, robotics, AI tools, cloud computing, medical research, gaming, crypto mining, and now AI data centers the size of cities. Jason doesn't call NVIDIA a chip company anymore. He calls it a full stack computing platform, meaning every industry will eventually need NVIDIA to run, just like electricity. This positioning is why Nvidia became one of the most valuable companies on earth and why the demand for its chips keeps exploding. From an overlooked gaming chip to the engine of artificial intelligence, Jensen Huang didn't just build a company, he built the infrastructure for the future. And, and he did it by seeing what no one else saw. That is how Jensen Huang outsmarted everyone. Thank you guys once again. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment if you want more brilliant tech stories like this.